Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing K Beauty blush, which was just recently launched in 21 December 2020, and as soon as it was live on Nykaa, I quickly placed my order because I was awaiting to purchase a blush since so long, and I was awaiting a recent purchase of K Beauty product to review it on my channel as well. I received it yesterday and I tried it. I tried using it on my face and I know how it performed. I concluded few things after using this product, and I have got so many things to tell you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, these are available in 8 whooping shades, right from fair till deepest skin tone, and I have the shade Deep Plum with me, which is the deepest shade of the entire lot. And why I got this shade? Because the lightest shade would always suit anyone, fair people or dusky skin maybe, or wheater skin person, anyone. The deepest color, everyone would like to know how it performs and does it get streaky. And also I picked out the deepest color, and also I love plum colors, so I have to get this. Now this one retails for 799 rupees for 9 grams of product, which I think is a very good deal for the price, because all other blushes available in the market are about what, 5-6 grams for 499 or 500 rupees, so it justifies the price. Now the manufacturing date of this product is November 2020 and the expiry date is October 2023, so the shelf life of this product is 3 years. Now about the packaging of this one, it comes in a cardboard box like this, which has the details mentioned at the back of the box, and the shade name is mentioned right here if you can see it. Now when I open this one, there is a sponge kind of thing inside to protect the product inside, and I'll show you how the product inside looks like. Now it's a very sleek packaging of the blush, such a beautiful packaging. I think K Beauty has just nailed it with the packaging. It has K Beauty monogram printed all over the product. It's a rose gold top with a color coordinated bottom. Now all the details of the expiry date and about the manufacturing part, shade name of the product, everything is written here at the back of the blush as well. Now when I open it, it's something like this, and it has got a protective covering on the product, which is, I think it's a great part, and you can take it off obviously. It has got a mirror here, and it's a good quality full size mirror if you ask me. It's a good quality mirror, like really nice, nothing cheap at all. The product looks something like this. It's a beautiful plum shade, and I love how the outline of the bottom plastic is also in plum color. I love the color plum always attracts me the most. Now when we try to close this one, it closes with a click, which is a good closure. You cannot open it. It's very sleek, it's very light, it's very travel friendly. You can easily put it in your vanity and carry anywhere you like, and that's the best part. I think the packaging just won my heart then and there. As I said, I picked the deepest shade because it is very dark and it would suit everyone. Now it's kind of dark for the light skin tone people and would be fine for the deepest skin. So my light skin girls can just dab it a little and apply it on the cheeks for that desired pinky flush and berry flush from your cheek. But for the deep skin people, you might want to dab it once or twice. This is highly pigmented, no doubt about it at all. Now talking about the ingredients of this product, K Beauty says it contains mango butter and avocado butter, which actually helps the product blend seamlessly in your skin and helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and thereby brightening of up your skin. So that's something I think K only does. No other brand contains this kind of main key ingredients having mango butter and avocado butter. Now let's see the texture of this product and how the application goes. I'll just swipe it once with my hands, and I'll swipe it here so you can see. I think you can see how pigmented it is, and it's like buttery smooth application. I decided to swatch this blush on my bare skin without any makeup. I don't have anything on my face right now apart from the lipstick and a little bit of mascara maybe. I don't have anything on my skin, so I'll just take the blush brush by PAC Cosmetics. I'll just dab the product a little bit, dust it off. So much. You see that? There is a whole lot of difference in both my cheeks. It looks healthy, it looks glowy, and this one is just, it's fine. And I love a healthy flush of blush from my cheeks. I'll take it again and blush it here. Even though I don't have anything on my face, even though my skin is just bare, I love how the application went for this one, because it was very smooth and it just blended to a natural finish and doesn't look like I have tons of blush on my cheeks or something. I think it gave me a natural glow, a natural flush. Now you could always use the blush on your cheeks and as eyeshadow, and also on your nose. I love to apply blush on my nose as well, for that, you know, pink nose kind of thing, which obviously makes any girl look pretty. Now I'm gonna sum down some best points, some good, really good points about this blush. Even though it's a powdery blush, it's still very lightweight. I just don't feel anything on my skin after applying this one. I don't feel like I applied a blush or something like that. It's very lightweight. Now second point, it's not very mattifying or something. Even though it does not have shimmers or chunky particles in it, it doesn't mattify your skin, and it just, you know, it gives you that natural flush, it gives you that natural glow from within, because it just sinks into your skin like magic because of the presence of avocado butter and mango butter inside this. Now as these powders are finely milled, they are very fine particles, that is why this is a high definition powder and you can use it on cameras very easily. You know, you always need a HD makeup when you're working in front of a camera, so this is a HD makeup for you. Fourth point, intensely pigmented. You just saw, I just dabbed my brush in the blush and I just got that beautiful pink flush on my cheeks. You don't have to overload, you don't have to dab it all over again and again to need, you know, for that pinky glow or for the blush to actually appear on your skin. You just have to dab it very lightly and you'll be good to go. Fifth point, blendable and buildable formula. It's easily blendable, how you saw, because of the presence of the butter in it. That's why it just melts into your skin, sinks into your skin like butter as suggested. And it's buildable. Why? When it's blendable easily, when you can blend something like your skin, when the product just melts into your skin like your own skin and not some third party product you're trying to get into your face. So it's easily buildable. Now if you don't like a natural flush, if you don't like the color, that if you think that this is kind of less, I need a little more of blush, you can easily build up the color and it won't flake up, it won't appear streaky, it will appear the same like a natural glow, like a natural flush on your cheeks. Now this one is very long lasting. I tried it yesterday. I wore it yesterday for about 12 hours, I would say. I have taken pictures of after application and after 8 hours of application, and it was there in my skin. And the best part, you know what, after 8 hours of application, and it appeared more natural and more glowy. It looked like a healthy pink flush on my cheeks, and it didn't look like I was applying blush or I had applied a blush on my cheeks. K-Beauty says that this blush is enriched with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which I think is super amazing for our skin, and it's the best part. None of the makeup products in the market would have all these good, really good ingredients included in them, and I think K-Beauty, Katrina, has nailed it with her products. Now as K-Beauty suggested, and I have seen as well, it does not transfer here and there. The blush stays intact on your cheek. Let me show you how. You can see there is just no product at all. because I don't have a foundation which is clear, that there is no transfer at all. So yeah, done a marvelous job. I highly recommend anyone who is looking for a good blush, please invest in this one. You will not regret it. The shelf life is 3 years, and I know this blush is at least going to last you 2 years for the quantity that it comes up with. Highly recommended, and I love it to bits. So yeah guys, that was my short review on Kay Beauty blush. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up, and do not forget to click the bell icon under this video so you don't miss any update coming from my channel. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.